Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Darwish and welcome back to Darwish Zain studio. So the next video is part of my video assignment for a subject that is public speaking, UHE 3132. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. As you already know, my name is Darwish. My full name is Darwish Zain, and I am in my second year of computer science degree in software engineering. Right now I am 21 years old and I am from Kelantan. So I just wanted to tell you that I am a programming enthusiast. So today I am going to show you several things that I have done or make using programming. So for the first thing that I have made using programming is a Chrome extension. So I have named it UMP Chrome extension. What it does is it provides us with a button, 3 button for a specific UMP website. So here is e-community website, Kalam website, and OARC website. So for the first one, if I click right here, it will redirect to the e-community website. And the second one is for Kalam, the same as previous, except this one leads to Kalam. And the last one is for open course registration, and it will lead to the open course registration website. So basically what it does is they provide a shortcut for me to access those websites easily through the Chrome extension. So right here is the code that I use to make the Chrome extension. So the second thing that I have made using programming is a customizable user interface for desktop that I made by myself from scratch, and it's easily customizable using some codes. And what I have right here is the digital clock with the hour, minute and second, and also the date. And next is the CPU usage. It was equipped with the percentage and a graph that shows the CPU usage, and the CPU usage, if it exceeds certain level, the graph will change color and the pie will change color also. And the next one is RAM. Right here it's supposed to be a graph, but right now there is no visible graph, but right here it has a percentage for RAM, and it's nice. Then I have the visualization of the free space of drive, and on this laptop I have 3 partition of drive, which is C, D and E, and it shows the free space of the drive from the value of the total space for the drive. And the last one of the customizable user interface is 2 buttons, and this one will directly open a Chrome browser and will be redirected to e-community website, and this one will lead to Kalam website. As you can see right here, it opens up to e-community website, and the other one will open Kalam website for UMP. And all of this uh, user interface was made using this code.
I think that is all from me for the video. Thank you.